Guys, this is a iPhone 6 and we are going to do a bend test on this. So just to make sure it's a functioning iPhone. Alright. All things are in mint condition. Alright. It's all in mint condition. A functional iPhone. Alright. iPhone 6. The iPhone 6. See, it got this fingerprint. So it's just to show you it's the same iPhone. Alright. It's still functioning. Bend test in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Damn, this iPhone is sweet. So even I can bend it. You see that? So guys, this is a lesson. Don't ever buy an iPhone 6. Seriously, look at the bend. But let's see if it's still functioning. Boom! It's still functioning. Wait, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's this really white line. There's this white line there. The screen have color disorder. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.